Okay, beautiful. Customers indicated the board he wants changed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one of these stairs. And that, or a piece of that. Yeah, we're going to do a piece of that because that's a little too crazy to do this. Ah, and this piece, okay. All right, let's bring the pressure washer right to there because it's close to the hose. That'll be nice. Okay, we're going to palm sand all of these. That's nice. Let it chill out right there. Let's have the big palm sander and its papers, and a nice long extension cord. These plugs came raised from when we put them in, so give them a little shot with the hammer. Sand them again. Hopefully they behave. Okay.
Okay, which hose? Are you going to connect them? Or no?
All right, so today went well. We pressure washed everything, changed out our planks. Found a few more. Gonna do this one. Gonna do this one. And then there's one step and one plank up top. So there we go. Next thing we do, we'll be putting oil on it.